Everyone, Alok and Anjali here. Wanted to show you a quick video of the seated sequence, which can be done almost anywhere, and really you don't need any tools except your own body. So it's a really profound way to help someone with the troublemakers, the trapezius, the tops of the shoulders, where everyone has stress. So the first thing is just to make sure they're comfortable seated, either cross-legged or feet together or legs straight out. If they need a cushion, you can always sit on a cushion. Second thing is to support the back. So I like to bring the feet wide and knees narrow and just have them lean back against you. So just encourage them to relax, then center back, and you can even do these little lung points right below the collarbone. Just gentle finger pressure there to help relax. Then we'll start with the palm right here at the close to the neck. Straight arms, inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, just pour your weight straight down. And so here we call this melting the shoulders. You'll feel the muscles slowly release, let go. And sometimes if you'd like, you can use oil here and just slide the hands off the shoulders, but we'll just come up and then move 1 inch away from the shoulders and try again. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale. The receiver will have to use a little bit of effort just to keep the spine straight here. Nice deep breath. Just feel it melting under your hands. And we'll slowly release. We'll now move to the left side of the spine. You'll find a groove between the spine and the shoulder blade. Bring your right knee there and step the left foot back. So we're in a warrior stance. We'll grab their wrist and just shake out their hand, bringing the palm to the back of the head. Right hand goes on the opposite shoulder just to square the shoulders forward. Nice deep breath here. Exhale, slowly pull the elbow back, feeling that opening of the chest. And then my knee should be in a good spot. So receivers, let your friend know if it's not in a good spot. Here I can lift the heel. Slowly massage with my knee in between the spine and shoulder blade. It's the rhomboid muscle in there. Nice deep breath. Then we'll bring the palm down. I'm going to straighten my leg and step forward. Interlace the fingers around the tricep here. Nice deep breath, and then I'm leaning back. Opening that armpit chest. You can just do this, or you can use your left hand to just squeeze up the tricep. You also go a lot slower with these stretches, but I'm doing this for the video. I'm going to bring my knee down, arm comes across, have them grab their own shoulder. I'll grab the elbow here. My left hand, I'm going to step back, is going to go again in that groove between the spine and shoulder blade. Deep breath in, exhale as we twist. I don't need extra power here because she's small, but if I did need extra power, I can bring my elbow into my inner thigh and press. So walking my palm down the spine all the way to the lumbar, and slowly release. Nice, we'll do the other side. So standing up, find that right side of the spine between the spine and the shoulder blade. My left knee is going to go in there. You can ask your partner if it's a good spot. Right foot back, hand behind the head. Right hand on the elbow, left hand squaring the shoulders. Nice deep breath here. Exhale, slowly pull the elbow back. You can just stay here, or if you like, try lifting your knee up and down. So obviously with different size bodies, this won't always work for your partner, so just finding the way to make it work. Comfortable and enjoyable. Slowly bring the palm down. Again, I'm sandwiching my thigh. Interlace the hands. Lift the heart and lean back. Opening the armpit chest. Here I can squeeze the tricep gently with the right hand. And then that last stretch, I'm just going to bring my knee down hand across, grab her opposite shoulder, find the elbow with your left hand. Right hand again can go here, deep breath in, exhale, outside of the spine, and I can come down slowly. Again, I'm using this thigh and my elbow to help, so it's effortless. All the way down. And brush it off. Nice. The last thing we'll do is just sit down behind our friend. We'll walk the feet up to the shoulder blades so I can feel the shoulder blades with my toes. I'll take a nice deep breath, lift the heart. Exhale, press with the feet. Feel that opening in the heart. So I'm not pulling with the arms, I'm just pressing with the feet. You want to make sure they're in a good posture and communicate if it doesn't feel right. We'll do 2 more, just inching my toes down. Exhaling as you press. 1 more, inhale. Exhale as you press with the feet, leaning back. Lift your own heart. And softly release. From here you can finish the massage if you'd like by having the receiver fold forward, walk their hands forward, and brush the energy down the spine. If you'd like to try an alternate back bend, we can try this other finish. So we'll end with a final heart opening stretch that feels amazing. Again, I'll place my feet on either side of her pelvis, knees come together, have her lean against me. Reach up, and then here's where I lean forward and grab the armpit. See if she can interlace behind my back. Not everyone can do that, so if you're just grabbing hold here and reaching up, that's good enough. Inhale, lift your own heart. Exhale, lean back. Slowly release, check in, make sure your knees are in a good spot. I'm going to walk my knees a little lower. Inhale, lift your own heart. Exhale. And 1 more time. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Slowly release. Shake out the hands. A little squeeze. And then we'll do the Tai chop. And she can slowly walk her hands forward. And as they walk forward, I'm just going to chop down. Getting all the way into the hips. And then 3 brushes of energy. Hope you enjoyed that sequence and it inspires you to share more loving touch in the world. Stay tuned for more at contactyoga.org.